Well, well, well,
Hey.
Mr. Turnbull.
Yeah,
Where you got me today, Mr. Turnbull?
You got me here because this was your idea, Mr. Genung. We're in the Catskills today.
Ah,
We
okay.
are at Hunter Mountain. I've never hiked the Catskills, so this is going to be something new for us. And looking at the sign in here, lots of people from the New York City area have signed in. This is a popular New York City because we're kind of halfway between our hometown here and New York City, so a lot of people come up. So this is what we do, and there's going to be a fire tower on top, and we're going to be hiking Hunter Mountain today.
What's the elevation?
Just over 4,000 feet. So this is there's two mountains in the Adirondacks. That's where I'm used to hiking. There's two mountains in the Catskills that are over 4,000. This one and I think Slide.
Okay.
So we're going 2 miles up, 2 miles down. So this should be a quick one for us. I think the elevation gains 2,000. I think I read, but it's 4,000 feet total.
Okay. Let's rock and roll.
Let's roll.
Here we go, man. All right. Good.
You guys are ready, huh?
Yes, sir.
We are. We're ready to go. So we're starting at 9:15 today. This is the first part of the trail. A lot of people get nervous about hiking in the fall because of all the leaves that are down. So you always have to be careful where you're hiking, stay on the trail. But this trail is pretty big and wide. We're on the blue trail today, so we're looking for blue markers. But should be cut and dry pretty easy, right up and right down. Maybe a couple hours. So
Sounds good.
this is extremely well maintained compared to the stuff we've hiked in the past. I mean, they've brought this stuff in. Beautiful bridge.
Oh yeah, look at this. Wow.
Beautiful bridge. Well maintained, this trail so far. I mean, we've only been going probably, I don't know, quarter of a mile, but still really nice. Well maintained. Very well done. Look at that.
Oh, beautiful.
Cairn. Look at that cairn out there. Yeah, very well. Well maintained. Very nice. Check out this little cairn here.
What do we got here, Mr. Turnbull?
A little cairn. These are trail markers, but I don't know why they have it here. Maybe for the winter time so people don't go into the creek. I don't know. But yeah, there's one over there too.
Very neat.
I think it's probably just someone messing around, probably.
Yeah, boredom.
Yeah.
Fun boredom.
Yeah.
Yo, Mr. T, where are we at? What's this?
I have no idea what this is. This is like some old dam or mill or something, because the concrete goes across the creek here.
Right.
I don't know. I'm guessing it's a dam.
I'm going to climb up there and check it out from your point of view.
This is cool.
Look at the moss on this wall.
Yeah.
It's like Moss Man from Eternia. You hear that, Joe Palmieri? You're loving that, aren't you?
Like, look at this. Look at this structure here.
Yeah.
Old, yeah, because there's some old wood down there.
Wow.
Something was here. It was built.
It's kind of like a trestle.
Yeah, look at this.
That's solid steel.
There's like an old wood platform of some sort down there. You're going to climb this thing?
Yeah, I can climb right up it.
Oh, God. Good thing I got my keys. Good thing we're not too far from the car. Why do I have a feeling you're not the first person to do this?
It's very stable.
Is it?
Yeah.
Gosh, you're making me nervous. Good for you.
Look at that. Look
Good
at
for you.
Yeah,
Man.
thanks, man. I still got it.
Wow.
45 years later.
That's
Let's
wild.
check out your point of view over here,
Look at
Mr. T.
this thing right
Take us down the trail.
Yeah. Look at all the concrete down there. We used to go straight across. You can see the old concrete block over there.
Wow.
There's something here.
Representing the 80s right here. TMNT all the way. We'll see you at the top.
think we're getting a little closer. You're starting to see some more pine, and pine's going to live probably a little higher up. Steeper. It's getting steeper. If you look at the trail, it's getting steeper. Trees are getting a little shorter. We're getting up there. The mountains to the side of us are a little don't look as big. So shout out to one of our avid followers. Hopefully, Representative Angelino in less than a month. We should have dragged him along with us, but he's probably out there campaigning. But this is a shout out to him, and good luck in the election. So we'll drag you out here someday, probably when you're a congressman or representative. So
Absolutely.
we'll drag him out here. We want it when he's in office, though. So
Yeah. Good luck, Joe.
all right, good luck, Joe.
Here we go.
Yeah. There we go. Now we're climbing.
Getting vertical, man.
Now we're climbing. First time I had to use my hands today. Yeah. Look at that. Now you're starting to be able to see a little bit. You know, a lot of the stuff we've hiked in the past, you tend to go straight up the mountain because those trails were made so early on in the early 1900s. You know, you think about like a Mount Marcy. Teddy Roosevelt hiked Mount Marcy, and Teddy Roosevelt was at Lake Tier of the Clouds when he found out that McKinley was shot and was going to die. So that's how old those trails are. They were there before Teddy Roosevelt. I don't know how old the Catskill trails are, but I could tell we're not going straight up like an Adirondack trail. We're kind of like skirting the mountain a little bit.
Yeah, we're kind of in a valley. We're in a valley. We're on the edge of a mountain.
That's why it's not overly steep, but it's steep because
Yeah.
we're kind of getting that slow elevation gain, kind of like circle. We're almost like circling the mountain.
Yeah, I would agree.
Yeah, it's
We're
not-
rough riding it today.
Yeah, Teddy Roosevelt. Yeah, great story. If you don't know the Teddy Roosevelt story, it's well documented. Just Google it. But it's a cool story. And his stuff, like his outfit that he was wearing that night, and the carriage is in the Adirondack Museum in Blue Mountain. So if you ever want to check it out, it's cool.
Awesome.
In Blue Mountain Museum, they have like an educational podcast. The episodes are only like 10, 15 minutes long. And one of their first ones was about Teddy's midnight ride.
Right.
So you could check out that podcast. It's a pretty neat podcast for kids that want to learn some stuff about, you know, New York State and stuff.
Yeah. Great president.
Yeah, great president.
Yeah. And
Mr. Belichick's favorite president. Right?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Great wildlife enthusiast as well.
Yeah, I mean, he's one that helped establish the national
Park system. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah, Teddy Roosevelt is like, for outdoors people, he's like the main guy, the main president.
Right.
That's why a lot of people, I mean, for a lot of different reasons, but a lot of people consider him one of the greats. That's why he's on Mount Rushmore, so for protecting
Well said.
our resources.
Yeah. Great American.
Yeah, absolutely. New Yorker, great New Yorker.
Absolutely.
He was from
Yep.
Oyster Bay. He was an Oyster Bay guy on Long Island.
Okay.
I think that's why he was a governor of New York,
Right.
and that's why he did a lot in New York State.
Right.
Yep.
Thanks for the history lesson, Mr. Turnbull.
Yeah.
You do this well.
Yeah, 3,500 feet. So what this means is no open fires, no campfires. You can read the sign.
Yeah.
No camping during the winter months. And this is a good sign for Mr. Genung and I, because Hunter Mountain's only 4,000, like 30 some, I think, feet.
Right.
So we only got like, let's call it 600 feet of elevation gain from
And
here.
we're nearly there.
Yeah, so we're well over, it was 2,000 elevation gain we were going to do in this hike. So we are well over an elevation gain, well over 3/4 of the way.
Right. It's been a great hike so
Sick,
far,
it
man.
has been. And it looks like we're going to have a nice, good, steep pitch up here. And that looks like it's 500 feet alone right there.
Let's hit it, baby.
All right. This is elevation gain. Holy cow, right here. everything I read about this trail was the last pitch was steep.
We're on it.
And I think this is it. Probably. This is. That's fun. People are like picking up rocks and stacking it in this tree. That's cool.
Just to support it, or
No,
just
just
for
a little
fun?
design.
Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. Little homestead in here on the mountain.
Yeah, just a little design.
Yeah. Look at these rocks we're hitting right now, man.
Yeah.
It's getting steep, getting tough.
Yeah.
The American way.
Yeah. Oh boy. Yeah, this is good. Ooh.
Starting to smell that pine, Mr. Turnbull.
Here we are.
Love it.
Got the feel to it.
Yeah.
Found indoor.
Yeah. Forest moon.
Yeah.
Let's
Hopefully Luke Skywalker's up there.
let's take out the shield generator.
It's a trap. Little trail over here. Yeah. Yep, right here. Here we go. Okay.
.4.
Yeah, so
Really
this is
close.
this is the actual summit. 2.4 from where we came. This is a beautiful trail.
Oh, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah.
Backpacking, beautiful trail.
Yeah. So we're on some pretty level ground, right?
Yeah.
Pretty much the top, right at the summit,
I don't know. I mean,
we
this
think.
trail, yeah, we're definitely at the summit, but this trail is. I love the Adirondacks. I love the challenge of the Adirondacks, but this trail is by far. This doesn't give you a real New York hiking feel. This is like, this is nice.
Yeah, it's very nice.
You know,
Very
this
nice,
isn't rugged.
Yep.
So one of the cool things, Mr. Genung, that I've been talking to one of my neighbors, Mr. Forest Ranger Burkholder, and he's trying to give us some new ideas where to go hiking and stuff. And you know, because there's not a lot of forest rangers in the state, they're kind of overwhelmed, and so he was kind of asking us to go out and maybe look over some of the trails for them out by our neck of the woods. So we might this videotape might get us a little bit of a job or something.
That's cool. Yeah. Some remote
Yeah,
places,
some remote
right?
spots out in like Genung County, our region. You know, so you better watch our YouTube channel. We might be out there next spring.
Right on, right on.
Yeah, out in the Nango. Beautiful trail. We're right over to our right. We're coming out.
We're coming out. All right.
I'm gonna come out to it. I have a feeling it's gonna be busy. So I'm gonna find a spot and I'm gonna cook us some lunch.
Oh, looking forward to that. I've worked up an appetite, man.
Yeah, so you can hit the tower and I'll find a little corner over here away from some people.
Okay, I'll come back to you, man.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Oh, glory's flying high.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Not too far away from Mr. Turnbull, but I thought I could get closer and check this out. Hang with me. A little subterranean world here. Different point of view of this cave. I'm gonna explore it, try to come out the other side. But really cool overhang if you're looking to get out of a storm or find some shelter. This is the spot. It's nice and dry in here too, as you can see. Yeah, definitely a place you'd want to go.
Cooking 101. We're gonna have some burgers.
Catskill style.
Catskill burgers.
What a table, what a bounty of a table you've set today, Mr. Turnbull. Wow.
Yes.
Styling, baby. Catskill style. It's great, man. Thanks, pal. Rock on.